Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ïakhih University, Meghalaya.
Dkhot Jcomswa Schools Owners, Miners, Suppliers and Workers Association hapok kejingalam President Marshall SBBM kila pelong kejingki bajai-jai ha Phyllaw ke Jhadc ha apsau trik julio arja apun rio hagani kejingki lara alang du plakat ki badawa ya ke Jhadc bentau ai no mardo de ki marpo khndo hari lom jantia
Jingwan yung ini man wani kaka nongrim yung igwa da dimani nag council do katuda arna lib nai menchua da ikot I council wo chuna anji myong nite daw mudwani ini plus tawi servi le em gajing chatkan yonga wa kandusni hadin ga kandusni aprdi ke da khutki ne yang government u yaklam Dkhot chief secretary ada ke tim yang ke Jcomswa dalai ko Jcomswa chief secretary ya debu I demand yang nang kong khang tu muyong wan nabar jela wa ar ke demand yang to peman anya po di council nam tau muyong wale to ulai lut phi ka mu phi menchwa ni te da wani ke jingwan yang ini wa ra I ni plakat uman gam kadak wa kular ke the kular chief secretary wa ongi ke district council wa chnaan baik nam tamu yong te ikhuble le ya CMM brom de chimkhia wi ni kam jo yo opposition leader manril sulai le wa de chimkhia te wora ge opposition leader ki em rolling le de chimkhia gini wa ni de man decision go wa karpang te le leklam hakatu ga anyo di dia marak te wato da tho go wa chispa hektar wa yiu ki enrei ngi skau tho I po Meghalaya constitution dia da ibor ki wa da em kato succeeded area wa pa ye khandau chep te skau tho wa ga ni ga council ke district council ka em go bor em ga akhtiar haka ten ni skhet de keben skhet I negalian ga Jcomswa wa da man session kerpang ni gini wada pasti resolution le wa naduk gi khen gidoi le ye guki kate to ga jingwan yang ini wa umani wan sakhi wa to mam to skhet kat kam ga wada kular gi ye dan re use skhet ini wada man skhet ga wada pas gi resolution.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our right, our future.